Let each one of us become a frontline warrior against COVID pandemic. Sanitize, wear mask, keep social distancing. Good morning to all. Welcome to SSVP News. It's me, Visruta of 9th. News headlines. Hindi Day was celebrated in Sri Shankara Vidyapeetham with lots of programs. It was inaugurated by Dr. Sumit PV of Parashiraja NSS College, Mattanur. SSVP student Nidil Latish got a very valuable certificate from Novus Foundation for scoring very good marks in national level e-quiz on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Principal congratulated him. The art of KG teaching. SSVP KG teachers attended the webinar with password publication. KG Red Day celebration will be soon. NEET examination was over. 180 candidates wrote the exam from our school. Sri Shankara Vidyapeetham observed Engineers Day on 15th September with novel programs. Speech of Sanavya was the highlight of the day celebration. Our school science club inauguration was on 15th September through online. Famous environmentalist Dr. Dilip P. inaugurated Science Club. SSVP students Visruta PK secured first position in Bhagavad Gita chanting competition conducted by Sri Shankara Vidyaniketan. Jinsha got second in the same category. Principal congratulated the students. Ozone Day celebration in SSVP was very informative. Montreal Protocol, keeping us our food and vaccine school, is the theme of the World Ozone Day this year. News in detail. Hindi Day was on 14th September. SSVP celebrated the day with lot of programs. It was started with the prayer of Sanavya K. Program convener Mrs. Geetarani VK welcomed everyone. Our principal presided over the Hindi Day celebration. The inauguration was done by Parashiraja NSS College Professor Dr. Sumit. Our Vice Principal Mrs. M. Srilata, teachers Mrs. Geeta MA and Mrs. Smita PV gave speech on the day's importance. Krishna T, Diya, Shweta, Sankirtana, Prarthana, Salomi, Aditya, Manav Giridhar, Nupura, Shivananda, Shriya, Anushka, Raga, Ashtami and Aradi were also participated in the Hindi Day celebration. Nidil Latish gave vote of thanks to everyone. Nidil Latish of 8th standard got a very valuable certificate from Novus Foundation for scoring very good marks in national level e-quiz on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was on 11th September 2021. Nidil Latish secured 23 out of 31. Principal congratulated him. The art of KG teaching is really appreciable. To upgrade and enhance the knowledge of KG teachers, a webinar conducted for them with the support of password publication. The enlightening session was handled by Mr. Binish K. Menon. KG Red Day celebration will be soon. SSVP KG students and parents are eagerly waiting for the celebration. Blue and Green Day celebrations were over. Next, the Red Day. It will be by next week. NEET examination was over. 180 candidates from different areas came to our school for the entrance test. The examination process was very smooth and with COVID protocols. Principal congratulated the functionaries. Sri Shankara Vidyapeetham students observed Engineers Day on 15th September. The program enhanced by a wonderful documentary of Sanavya K of 8th Ajay Prakash of 11th standard contributed a very good PowerPoint presentation. Animation of our program in charge, Mrs. Geeta M.A. gave a clear idea about the day. School Science Club inauguration was on 15th September through online. The inauguration was done by a famous environmentalist, Dr. Dilip P. School Principal Rajan Kodakat felicitated the program. Science HOD Mrs. Geeta M.A., Convener Mrs. Nisha P.P. attended the program. Science Club Secretary Adishri K. welcomed the dignitaries and Science Club Joint Secretary Krishna T. expressed her gratitude. Geeta chanting competition arranged by Sri Shankara Vidya Niketan. SSVP students Vishruta P.K. secured first position in high school section and Jinsha got second position in the same category. Principal congratulated both of them. Ozone Day celebration in SSVP was highly informative this year. International Ozone Day was on 16th September. The program was enriched by lots of innovative steps. All items connected by Sri Lakshmi TM of 11th through her wonderful anchoring. Nihara PS, Kanika M, Shweta M and Zia PV of class 6th gave speech on the topic. Documentary presentation about Ozone Day was given by Sri Lakshmi TM and Megha Pradeep of 11th. Drawings of Kanika M of 6th, Adishri K of 12th, Ashwati Ranjit of 9th, Vismaya of 11th were another attraction of Ozone Day celebration. A wonderful ozone dance of our Arya Ashok of 12th was the highlight of the day celebration. Montreal Protocol, keeping us our foot and wax in school, is the theme of Ozone Day this year. Sri Shankara School was sanitized after NEET examination. It was done by Matanur Seva Bharati. SSVP, the School of Innovation, giving opportunities to all students to become all-round development. Amnika Suresh of class 8th secured 9 certificates from Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities and MyGov for the successful completion of Skill India quiz competition. Roadway to Success. Sri Shankara School is arranging a webinar for senior students with the support of Extra Mark. It will be on 20th September. SSVP staff meeting is today. Monthly staff meeting started at 10 a.m. in the school conference hall. All teachers and principal attended